Hey, good morning. Tony LaPorta here with NakedTrader.com. I am back in the town I lived in for 3 years, Winona, Minnesota. This is where my children live, and I'm staying with a good friend. And this is the spare bedroom. So I am recording this from the spare bedroom. That's not to say that I haven't. I'm going to change my ways because I've been red hot, absolutely red hot, and nothing has changed this morning. With the big move higher, with the gut trade that I put out yesterday, I also talked about the pattern gaps that the gap open higher will have left in place, did leave in place, shall we say. And those pattern gaps are there. Do your homework. If you're not sure what a pattern gap is, look it up. There are pattern gaps in all three indices. By definition, a pattern gap is filled within 1 to 4 days, but normally filled the following day. What I have noticed over the past, shall we say, couple of years or a year and a half, almost 2 years of the market being manipulated, these pattern gaps take a little bit longer to get filled. Sometimes they don't get filled. Other times I have seen once or twice where they're filled the next day and basically catches all the longs out. So until further notice, I want to sell into strength, looking for these gaps to be filled hopefully sometime this week. I'm thinking the way these futures markets are acting this morning, it would not surprise me one bit to see these gaps be filled today. I wrote in my commentary last night, the gambling man went home short. Well, the gambling man's on side. SPOOs are 4 handles lower. NASDAQ's about 10 points lower. So here we go again. Let's have some fun. Bond market, I liked the bonds last night. I don't know why they were telling me the bonds and the notes both held support levels again. Do your homework. I'm seeing on TV right now that they're rioting again in Cairo. So it made me think this morning when I turned the TV on and saw these riots about a lot of the stuff that comes out of the Arab world when they talk about oil and we're going to pump more oil and blah 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 blah, or we're refraining, we're going to abide by OPEC's production cuts and everything, and within 2 days everyone's breaking the rules, that not abiding to what they agreed to. So this, what we're seeing here in Egypt this morning is not going to end. Mubarak is not going to step down. It's going to get uglier, and when this contagion spreads, and it will spread due to the cost of the fixed costs, food and energy, when it does spread, you can kiss Wall Street goodbye. At the moment, one day at a time, let's go fill these gaps. Cheers. Tony LaPorta signing off. Cheers.